Welcome guys. Let's do Sealer Network token technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my all charts and targets. Current rank of Sealer Network is 126 and price of Sealer Network is 12 cents right now. And it is Ethereum based token ordered by Certic and Slowmist, and that is why this is very secure token. Market cap of Sealer Network is $784 million, which is very huge, and 24-hour trading volume of Sealer Network is 159 million. That is great. Circulating supply of Sealer Network is 6 billion. Maximum and total supply of Sealer Network is 10 billion. There is no hidden supply. That is a very good thing. Let me please show you some statistics. After that I am going to show you website and charts. Let me please show you all-time high. All-time high of Sealer Network was on September 26, 2021, about two months ago, and price was 19 cents. All-time low of this token was on March 16, 2020, about 2 years ago, and price was 0.001014, and Sealer Network return on investment is 319%. What is Sealer Network? Let me please show you. The Sealer Network is a smartly designed layer 2 scaling solution that provides off-chain transaction handling. The Sealer Network platform offers fast, simple, and secure off-chain transaction for both payments and smart contracts. And it is available on these exchanges. Let me please show you. It is available on Binance, Gate.io, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get this link. This is Binance exchange link. Click on this link and register your account. And after registration and after initial deposit, you can grab $710 bonus, which is absolutely free. You can also grab these bonuses. These bonuses are free and these bonuses are tradable. Register with these links and create your account, and after deposit you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable and these are absolutely free bonuses. Put your seed money away and just trade with these bonuses only. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let me please show you website of this token. This is the website of Sealer Network. Push blockchain to mainstream with layer 2 scaling technology. Fast, secure, low cost. This is the website. Please visit this website by your own and please do your own research before buying this token. Selected partners: Polkadot, Chainlink, Maker, very important partners, and that is why this token is very important to me. Let me please show you first chart. This is Sealer USDT 4-hour chart, and current price of Sealer Network is 12.6 cents right now. This is the main trend line. It is respected this trend line very much. Here you can see, and after every touch price bounce back. Here you can see, here you can see, here you can see, and here you can see. No, price is at 12.6 cents right now. Maybe price after touching this line again, price bounce back. This area is very important due to two things. First thing is that this support line, and second thing is this major line, and these are very important things, and this box area is very important to hold for Sealer Network. Once Sealer Network hold this, in that case our first target is 13.94 cents, and after that 16 cents will be our second target. According to the support and resistance base, our target will be like this. Let me please show you. Once it broke this 14 cents price resistance, in that case it can easily hit this target, and it is at $15.78 price area. And if unfortunately it broke this, in that case next spot is at 11.39 cents price area, which is good. And let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume. There is good volume in 4-hour chart. That is very important thing. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are in this EMA ribbon, and once candle closing above 13 cents price area, this will be very good thing, and after that price definitely will boom and definitely will price go up. And let me please show you other indicators. 4-hour RSI is at 48, and once it crosses 50, in that case it will be very good and price can go up. And let me please show you MACD. 4 hour MACD crossover was towards downside, but now towers are changing their color. That is the indication maybe crossover towards upside is about to happen, and this will be huge thing. And let me please show you my second chart. This is Seller Network daily chart, and here you can see price is at 12.67 cents right now, and it is at major support area. Once it holds this area, next target is 14.52 cents price area, and after that this main trend line is have to, it is very strong resistance, it have to break. If I calculate this target, in that case here you can see, according to the support and resistance base, once it broke 14.5 cents price area, in that case next target will be this area 16.73 cents, and it will broke this main trend line. And once it broke this, in that case definitely price will go up. And second target will be like this, according to the support and resistance base. Our second target will be, let me please show you, and our second target is at 19.16 cents area. This is very important. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume is in daily chart is missing, very low tower volume. We need strong volume confirmation. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are above from this EMA ribbon. That is very good sign, and this is the indication we are still in uptrend. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you other indicators. RSI is at, daily RSI is at 51, and it is above 50. That is a good sign, and that is very important thing to note. MACD crossover towards upside, and that is great thing. Definitely price will go up, but for this we have to wait. We have to wait for to break this resistance area, which is 14.61 cents price area. Let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator. Here you can see this is my favorite indicator. These yellow lines are main CPR support lines, and candles are below from this support line, main CPR support lines. Once candle closing above 15 cents price area, 15.5 or 16 cents price area, these CPR lines will turn into support, and after that first CPR target, monthly CPR target will be 17.38 cents. Second CPR monthly target will be 22.56 cents, and third CPR monthly target will be 25.65 cents price area. And if it broke this support zone, in that case next support zone is at 10 cents, and after that it is bearish target 9 cents, but I don't think so. I think price have to move towards upside, and it have to hit my targets. Let me please show you weekly chart. This is Seller Network weekly chart, and price is at 12.64 cents right now, and this is the horizontal resistance, which is at 16.21 cents price area, and main resistance is at 19.78 cents price area, and main support is at 10.39 cents price area. Maybe price can hit 10.39 or 10.55, but I don't think. I think price have to move towards upside. Once it move towards upside, in that case our first target will be like this. According to the support and resistance base, our target will be and our target will be 22 cent, and it will break its all-time high. This is very important thing, and we have to wait for this. And let me please show you my target for this bull run. For this I have to took this tool. Let me please fix this chart. Let me please do this trend based fib retracement tool, and after that let me please show you our target. Let me please fix this chart, and let me please do this, and let me please do this. Here you can see we are still in this bearish zone, which is 0.23 Fibonacci level. Once it broke this area, in that case 13 cents price area, in that case next target 0.38, which is 15.76. after that 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is 17.64 cents, and after that 0.61 golden pocket, which is 19 cents price area, and after that 0.78. My target for the Saylor network in this bull run will be, let me please show you. This area is very important, and this will be the target. $0.50 to $0.60. This area is very important to me, and this is the target for this bull run, and I think it can easily hit this target, and this is the target. I think Saylor network can hit 50 cent, maybe 60 cent in this bull run. This is my last target. Thanks for the watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, share this video with all of your friends and crypto community, and please do me a favor, if you want to get these bonuses, $5,680 bonuses, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, deposit, and after deposit you can grab these bonuses. These are absolutely free bonuses, and these are tradable bonuses. Trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.